These all are symbol of the writing symbols of the Warli art. So now I am drawing the symbols. The first one is the moon. Second one is the sun, circle and standing lines around the circle. Third one is the morning symbol. So draw the curve and draw the standing line left side. Fourth one is the afternoon symbol. Draw the curve and draw the standing line in the middle of that curve. The one is the evening. So draw the curve line and draw the standing line at the right side. Sixth one is the lightning symbol. So draw the zigzag lines. Draw that double lines. And seventh one is the rainbow symbol. Draw the slipping line, draw the curve line and draw the slipping line. And next draw the another curve line. Next draw the curve line in the middle of that curves. This is the rainbow symbol. Eighth one is the tippy. Draw the two slanting lines, left slanting line and right slanting line attached with the slipping line. Ninth one is the blossom. Draw the circle and draw the lines in the middle of that circle. This is looks like our flag, Ashoka Chakra or the wheel type. Tenth one is the rain. Draw the curve line and draw the zigzag shapes attached with the curve line. Is the campfire. So draw the two slanting lines and draw the slanting lines, small and big slanting lines. This is the flame. So this is also looks like mountain shapes. And the 12th one is the hand. So draw the slanting line and draw the two small slanting lines at the end of these slanting lines. So and the starting end draw the three slanting lines, two slanting lines. So that is the hand. Looks like the arrow shape. This is the happy symbol. So draw the small circle and draw the another circle and draw the two standing lines, four sides. This is the spring season. So draw the first standing line and a slipping line and one standing line and draw the standing lines in the middle of the two standing lines. and this is the fast. So draw the slipping line and draw the slanting line, draw the slipping line, draw the standing line, draw the slanting lines too. So same draw the upper side and the downside. So this is the arrow shape, but zigzag, little bit zigzag arrow shape. The D, draw the two circles attached. One circle is attached with another circle. Those are the eyes. So 17th is a bird tracks. So draw the slanting lines and draw the two small slanting lines on that big slanting line. 18th is the river. Draw the zigzag lines and draw the zigzag lines. Give some gap and draw that two zigzag lines. So this is also looking like our river shapes. 19th is the man shape. So draw the same as this man, but this is the open figure, means open triangle figure. So this is no legs. So next one is a woman figure. So that is draw the same as this woman without legs. This is the closed figure, means a closed triangle. Draw the girl shape as this woman shape, but here this figure don't have the head and hands. Next one is the boy. First one triangle, next triangle is the open triangle. Next summer, draw the standing line and sleeping line. Draw the standing lines. Next one sad. Draw the big circle and draw the small circle in the middle of that big circle. This is the camp. So draw the sleeping line, draw the slanting line and another slanting line, right slanting line and left slanting line. Horse tracker, draw the small curves, means curve shape. Next one mountain, draw the sleeping line, draw the slanting lines, zigzag type. This is the mountain shape. Friendship symbol, draw the two slanting lines and draw the small slanting lines on that slanting lines. This is the friendship symbol. Good luck, draw the square shape and draw the another square shape in the middle of that square. Fill with color and draw the lines at the corner of that square. Next, good crop, draw the triangles. And next draw the another triangle. This is the good crop symbol. So draw the arrows opposite sides. Draw the same arrow opposite side. So this is the war symbol. So in the war, so next below, draw the big circle, draw the small circles in that middle of that big circle and draw the one big circle in the middle of that circle. So this is the foot shape. Next one is the rabbit. So circle. Next, draw the two dots. Those are the eyes, and draw the two oval shape. Those are the ears. So this is the rabbit shape. Next one is the snake. Draw the small curve, that is a open curve. Next, draw the zigzag line. So draw the two zigzag lines. So attach it with the end and draw the two thick standing lines and fill with the color. This is the snake symbol. Next one is the trees. Draw the two standing lines and draw the zigzag shape on that standing lines. So this is the trees. The symbol is the night. So draw the sleeping line, draw the curve, attach it with that sleeping line and draw the small dots in the middle of that of circle. One is a canoe. Draw the moon shape, means of circle. So two curve shapes. So draw the small standing line in the middle of that curve shape. And the next symbol is the warrior. This is a very interesting symbol, and so this is a very and beautiful symbol also. So look at this. Draw the first small square shape. Draw the cross slanting line and draw the rectangle. Draw the two curved lines and legs is the two slanting lines and draw the human shape on that horse. This is a very beautiful symbol. One is the days. So draw the sleeping line and draw the circles on that sleeping line. One circle is represent the one day. So here I am drawing the 4 circles, means 4 days. If you draw the 3 circles, that is the 3 days. So one circle is represents the one day. I hope you all are understand. So please subscribe the channel and share the video.